Hello, Excel family. This is Rudy with Excel, and today we're going to show you how to replace the horizontal track system. Things to note: remember in which orientation you remove components, because it will be helpful when reassembling. The replacement track will have two separate grooves. The groove with the pre-cut holes are where the glass is placed. In the other groove is where the screen is placed. There's also two pieces of track on either side of the window. The upper track is longer than the lower track. First, let's open the window and slide the screen out. Now, loosen the sealer lining just a bit so you can access the lower track and pop it out. Slide your window back closed, and with a tool of your choice, we're using a screwdriver, gently pry the upper track out and remove it. You can now remove your glass. On the other side of the window, you will do the same thing. Slightly remove the sealer lining and pop out the lower track. As you can see on this side of the window, there's a filler plug that prevents us from accessing the top of the track. To remove the upper track from this side, you'll need to gently press on this part of the window seal and use your tool to gently pry out and remove this track. Now that we have the old track removed, we can replace it with the new track provided. Take the longer track and with the pre-cut holes facing the outside of the window, slide it in the place of the old track. Now, take the lower track with the same method and pop it into place like so, and place the sealer lining back into place on that side. Now, place your window into position. And click it into place. Now repeat the steps and slide in the upper track up and under the sealer lining until it hits its stopping point. Clip in the lower track, then place your screen in place.